Hey there, fabulous shoppers! Are you ready to master the art of paying your K credit card like a pro? Of course you are! Before we dive in, make sure to hit that link in the description below to get your special discount. Let's get started. So, you've got yourself a shiny new K credit card. Congrats! But now comes the real question. How do you actually pay it off without pulling your hair out? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, let's talk about the easiest way to pay: online payments. It's 2024, people. If you're still mailing checks, we need to have a serious chat. Head over to K's online payment portal and log in. Once you're in, make sure to have your bank details ready. Click on Pay My Bill, enter the amount, and boom, you're done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But wait, there's more. Did you know you can set up automatic payments? It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets. Just go to the automatic payments section, choose your monthly payment amount, and set it up. Now you can sit back, relax, and let technology do the work for you. For those of you who prefer a more old-school approach, you can always pay by phone. Just call the number on the back of your card and follow the prompts. It's kind of like talking to a robot, but a useful one. And if you're a fan of snail mail, you can still send a check or money order. Just make sure to include your account number and mail it to the address on your billing statement. But remember, this isn't the Pony Express. It might take a while to get processed. Now let's talk about timing. Always aim to pay before the due date. Late payments can ding your credit score, and nobody wants that. Set reminders on your phone, scribble it on your calendar, or get your pet parrot to squawk at you. Whatever works. So there you have it, folks. Paying your K credit card like a pro is easier than you thought. Click on the link in the description below to get your special offer, and make sure to subscribe for more smart shopping tips. See you next time. Bye-bye, savvy shoppers.